The rapidly evolving global security landscape demands a re-evaluation of our defense strategies, especially when it comes to countering emerging threats. Recent events in Ukraine have illustrated the growing importance of short-range air defense (m-shorad) systems in confronting challenges like drones and cruise missiles. While existing air defense systems such as the MM-104 Patriot and Terminal High Altitude Area Defense (THAAD) are designed to engage high-flying jet fighters and ballistic missiles, the emergence of small, low-flying threats like drones requires a reimagined approach. In this video, we will delve deeper into the critical role of short-range air defense systems, the technological advancements, and how nations like the United States are adapting to these new challenges. The drone threat, a closer look. Drones, due to their small size and low altitude capabilities, pose a unique challenge for traditional air defense systems. Their diminutive nature allows them to evade radar detection until they are perilously close to their intended targets, leaving very little reaction time. This is where short-range defense steps in as the last line of defense, akin to a goalie in a soccer team, preventing goals. Moreover, the sheer volume of drones that can be launched simultaneously can overwhelm existing air defense systems. The financial burden of employing traditional missiles, which cost tens of thousands of dollars each, is impractical when countering less expensive threats like drones and cruise missiles. Current m-shorad systems. The U.S. Army's sole mobile m-shorad system, the Avenger Air Defense, employs a Humvee platform equipped with 4-shot missile pods containing FIM-92 Stinger missiles. While the Avenger is a vital component of the defense system, it lacks organic radar for long-range detection and instead relies on external radar data. In contrast, Russia boasts specialized tracked-Tor missile systems and Panzer S-1 air defense vehicles, each equipped with organic radars capable of spotting targets up to 20 miles away, advanced infrared sensors, and highly responsive 35mm cannons. The noticeable performance difference underscores a shift in defense priorities. The changing landscape. Historically, the U.S. Army has entrusted the Air Force with managing aerial threats, a reliance that dates back to the end of the Cold War. However, the evolving threat landscape, including drones and cruise missiles, is rendering this approach obsolete. In response to these shifting dynamics, the Army recognized the need to reinforce its m-shorad capabilities. Stryker m-shorad, the future of mobile air defense. In February 2018, the Army announced plans to modify Stryker vehicles to address the interim maneuver, short-range air defense m-shorad requirement. This decision followed the identification of a capability gap in Europe against Russian unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Historically, the Army had focused on Middle East operations, neglecting m-shorad capabilities. The introduction of Stryker m-shorad marked a strategic shift, with the first battery of 12 systems fielded by 2020, and 4 battalions totaling 144 Stryker m-shorads in the works. Stryker m-shorad features a revolutionary turret that combines 4 potent weapons: a 30mm automatic cannon, Stinger missiles, longbow Hellfire missiles, and a 7.62mm M240 coaxial machine gun. The versatility of these weapons allows for engagement with a wide array of threats, from drones to distant aerial targets. This adaptability is crucial in countering the evolving threat landscape. Future prospects. The introduction of Stryker m-shorad systems with organic radars marks a significant advancement. These systems are capable of providing 360-degree radar coverage, enabling them to independently track, identify, and engage air and ground targets. Moreover, when networked with additional radars, they can expand collective radar coverage, enhancing overall situational awareness. The Directed Energy Maneuver Short Range Air Defense (DEM-shorad) program integrates a 50-kilowatt high-energy laser weapon system onto the Stryker vehicle, highlighting the Army's commitment to harness cutting-edge technology in the fight against emerging threats. This directed energy system promises to provide protection against a broad range of threats, from rockets and artillery to drones and manned aircraft. Securing the future. In a world where security threats are in constant flux, short-range air defense systems are undergoing a transformation to meet the challenges posed by drones and cruise missiles. The United States, recognizing the need to adapt to this evolving landscape, has invested in the development of Striker m-shorad systems and directed energy solutions. As other nations also adapt to these emerging threats, the future of short-range air defense promises to be a pivotal component in ensuring national security and defense against dynamic and ever-evolving threats. The continuous development of shorad systems represents a significant step towards a more secure and resilient world. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.